What is this? What are you doing? What are you doing? Go back. Go back. There you go. Much better. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry about my messy, weird hair right now. It's like flowing in different places. I don't know what it's doing, but this is the look that I'm going to show you how to do, and it's all based on this one product right here, which is the Lime Crime Diamond Crusher that I got in my Ipsy bag. It's a lip topper, but I tried it as a lid topper as well, and I'll let you know how it is and how it works out. But this is the final look. If you like to see how I did this, please keep watching. Okay guys, so I brought you in a little closer so you can see my tired face. Look at those dark circles. But that's okay. We're gonna get through it. We're gonna work on the eyes first, so let's get started. First, I'm going to kind of prime my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape. I've already started unwinding it. Sorry. Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand. So I still have a little bit of redness, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. Today I want to use my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I love this palette. It's just beautiful all around. And I'm gonna go in with Desert Sand right here and set my eyes. I love that this has a mirror. I love it. It makes everything so much easier. I'm going to go in with this color, which is Amber. And I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush and just deepen up the crease. These colors are very pigmented. So use a very light hand. And then I'm going to go in with Saffron right here, this color right here, with another fluffy brush, but a little bit more dense. And deepen up that crease just a little bit more. And I'm bringing that color out just a little bit. And then we're going to use the same brush and dip it into Oud right here and deepen that up and bring that color in just a little bit more. So you see I'm bringing the color in just a little bit. So you can kind of pat it in. Just blend it out. I'm going to go in with that other brush that I was using that I went into Amber with, and I'm not even putting any product on. I'm just going to go over that whole thing just to blend everything in a little bit better. I'm going to go back in with Oud again right here and just darken that up just a little bit more. And now for the star of the show, I'm actually going to go in with this Lime Crime Diamond Crusher in Lit, and I'm going to put that over my lid. So this is actually a lip topper for whenever you wear a liquid lipstick, you want to make it a little bit more of a metallic color. So this is more of like a rose gold color. That's what you would use it for. But I'm going to try to see how it looks like on the lid, so it could be a complete fail. So I'm going to take this, and first I'm going to just put it over my lid like a straight line, so wish me luck. Oh my goodness, that's pretty. And I'm gonna kind of do like a cut crease kind of a look with this. Well, obviously this is for the lips, so it's not that easy to work with, but we'll fix it up later. Oh, that is pretty, but I don't know how quickly it dries, so I'm going to go ahead and take this flat brush right here and kind of try to fix it so it looks neater. That's really, really pretty. Okay. So I'm gonna just add a little bit there. I'll just bring that up. You know, your wing just keeps getting longer and longer. These wings take forever, but I'm definitely getting the gold all over it. Which makes sense because this is a lip topper, so it needs something, I think, wet or something for it to hold on to, and because my lids are all dry, they're all powdery, they're just flaking off. But I still like the way they look though. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my face of all of this glitter. And now I'm going to actually finish up my eyes by putting some mascara on. So first I'm going to curl my lashes. Now that they're curled to the best of their ability, we're going to go ahead and go in with the mascara. So I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt Mascara. So for lashes, I'm actually going to use the Ardell Demi Wispies, and I'm going to do them off camera. So now that the lashes are in, I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom lid, and I'm going to go back into my Huda Beauty palette again, and I'm going to take the color Oud right here and line my bottom lid with it. Then I'm going to go ahead and put mascara on my bottom lashes. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with this color right here. I think that's Nerfertiti. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight my inner corners. And the brow bone, just lightly. Okay guys, so finally for my lips, I'm going to go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, which is in Copenhagen, and apply that. So now that you have the lipstick on, this is a really pretty lipstick with these eyes. We're gonna actually go ahead and put the Diamond Crush, Lime Crime Diamond Crush Rose Cold Lip Topper, which is not a lip topper, but it's a lip topper, on our lips to go along with our eyes. So I don't know if I should wait for this to dry a little or just go right in. You know what? Let's just go right in. So I do like this just the way it is though. Alright, it's okay. Let's do this. This was the whole point of this tutorial. Okay, just a little bit. Whoa. So I mixed it in with my lipstick and I don't think it looks bad. I'm trying to find a brush to just get out the edges so it looks like it goes all the way to the edge. So it gives it that metallic look. I like it. Yeah guys, that's my look. I hope you like it. Obviously I would not use that Lime Crime as my lid topper as much as it looks really nice. I do have little flakes of gold all over. I think it's great for the lips, which is what it's for, but because you have something wet for it to stick on, but for the lid, because it's dry, it's not so great. Even just from my eyes, it's kind of like just flaking onto my eyeliner, so it's not really worth it. But for my lips, it looks great. This would have been a really great holiday look. I like it. And as always guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, I love you guys. Bye. The Lime Crime, oh, I am covered in glitter.